Unlocking benefits. Understanding VIP customer perks. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's both intriguing and valuable: VIP customer perks. This concept is prevalent in businesses worldwide, and understanding it can enhance your English language skills, especially in real-world scenarios. So, let's break down what it means to be a VIP customer and the perks that come with it. VIP stands for Very Important Person. In the context of businesses and services, a VIP customer is someone who is accorded special privileges due to their importance or the amount of business they bring to the company. This status can be achieved through various means, such as frequent purchases, loyalty to the brand, or by subscribing to a premium service. Now, let's explore the perks or benefits that VIP customers enjoy. Perks are special advantages or benefits that are not available to all customers. These can include exclusive discounts. VIP customers often receive special offers that are not available to the general public. Early access. They may get early access to new products, sales, or events, allowing them to purchase or participate before anyone else. Dedicated support. Some companies offer dedicated customer service lines for their VIPs, ensuring quicker and more personalized assistance. Complimentary services. These can range from free shipping to complimentary upgrades, such as better seats on flights or rooms in hotels. Becoming a VIP customer usually involves meeting certain criteria set by the business. This could be spending a specific amount of money, being a loyal customer for a certain period, or being part of a membership or loyalty program. It's important to note that the criteria can vary greatly from one business to another. Understanding the concept of VIP customer perks can not only boost your English vocabulary but also help you navigate the world of customer service and loyalty programs more effectively. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and benefits of being a VIP customer. Remember, the key to becoming a VIP often lies in loyalty and engagement with your favorite brands. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon.